Hello all, this video is intended for adults and not for children. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the books that we are putting on our bookshelf book sling for the month of March. So we have a couple holiday books and books related to the weather of spring, and then books about colors, but our main theme is birds. So we're going to start with the bird books. So I have a couple of these little guided readers. These come from Scholastic. So we have Penguins Can Go. We have an owl, the life cycle of a chicken. These books are just a couple of words on each page and just a nice realistic images. So I like those little books. Then we have this book from the Looney Bazaar. It's Duck Goes Potty. Now this book is currently available at Dollarama. I got mine on Amazon, but this is a duckling for Daniel, so part of the Daniel Tiger series, and it is the year of the tiger, so it kind of fits that too. This book is from Indigo, and this is Common Birds That Are Found in Ontario, where we live. This was an Amazon purchase. This is a great book about, based on a true story of two male penguins that raise a baby penguin. So this is And Tango Makes Three. That is a classic book. So happy to have that in our collection. And I have some Dollarama books. This I didn't get a chance to show yet, but I just purchased this yesterday at Dollarama. So these books are only $1.75 at Dollarama. This one is called Storks. And they just have lots of information about the subjects. So I like these books a lot. So I decided to grab this one. And Nate had already previously picked out this one, which is also from Dollarama, and this is the woodpecker one. So we have those two. And then some other Dollarama books are these. So this one is The Ugly Duckling. And then this one is Chicken Little. I think these are $1.75, yes. They're $1.75. And then I also found this yesterday at Dollarama, and this is Fly South. It's a Disney Junior Muppet Babies book. It's really cool book, and I thought, it'd be a fun little read. It's got these see-through little images on some of the pages. So Gonzo's trying to fly, basically. And it has lots of images of chickens in it. So, cute little book. And that was $4 at Dollarama. This was also purchased on Amazon. This goes with our bird theme and our color rainbow theme. So this has the names of birds, and it talks about, it shows if it's a male or a female, but it just has beautiful colors. So love that book. This was another Looney Bazaar find. So this is all about hummingbirds. Great little information about their life and what they eat and stuff. This book was found at the Walmart store. So it even has includes some bird owl puke with some bones in it, which is interesting. But yeah, that was a good little find as well. Lots of images about birds, even showing the bone structure. Now this one has fur and feathers, but this was found at a subway station. It was only $4, but it just has lots of information, and it does have fur too, but there is talking about birds as well. So I'm just going to include that on the shelf as well. But I like that book a lot. This one was also from Amazon, and this is Flightless Birds. And it's just a picture book with just lots of information, lots of different pictures about different birds found around the world. This book was found at Winners, and it's just Sounds of Nature, World of Birds, and then it talks about like different habitats. So we have like the rainforest, and when you press the button, it will make a sound. I don't think it's on actually. Hold on, I'll just check. Yeah, so that's that sound. And then we have Birds of the Mountain and so on. It just has different habitats where birds are found. This one is in the city. That's a fun book. I'm also going to include this book. This is the Osborne 1000 Animals, and it has different pages with different animals, but it does have, throughout the pages, talks about different, like this is African animals, and it also includes some birds as well. So we'll be going over the names of different birds that are found in different parts of the world. This one is Australian, so it's a cool book. I have a couple books talking about colors and rainbows, and so the first one is a classic. This is Brown Bear, What Do You See? And it just has animals all of different colors. And then this is Walk and See Colors. This is a Scholastics book, so it's a nice little book. This one is Minnie's Rainbow. Included that one. And then this one was found at the Brands Gone Wild store, and it's Light Makes a Rainbow, and then it talks about how actual rainbows are created. So I'm going to include that as well. And I'll just show you some holiday themed books and spring books. I mentioned in my book haul that my Mardi Gras book was not delivered on time. Now, I did not make any printables for this month because we're going to be doing mainly hands-on activities, but the last page of this book that I made, there is a printable from last year, so I will link our Facebook page down in the description in case you want any printables. You just go under photos from, and they'll have all the printables that I've uploaded over the last year and a while, so if you want to check those out. But this one is just from a coloring book. It says Happy Mardi Gras, and then this was printed from Wikipedia, so just explaining what it is. This was also from the coloring book. I just colored it in and wrote Dance Party. And then this says People Wear Colorful Masks. I colored that in. And then this was also for the coloring book. And then this is my printable that I had up last year, so it was like a draw the line to the correct letter. So just like P for pancakes, M for mask, H for hat, and T for trumpet. So if you want this printable, it is up on the Facebook page. This is a Dollarama book, and this is Happy St. Patrick's Day, Curious George. Really nice book. I always include this every year, so I like this book a lot. This is a Scholastics book, just talking about St. Patrick's Day. Then we have this one, which was from Indigo. This is Happy Holi, Festival of Color. Talk about the Indian culture. I also have this book, which is What's Inside My Lunchbox, and they have this page about India, and this flap down, and you can learn about different food that they eat in India. I have this book that is called Singing in the Rain, and it's a Scholastics book, so with spring coming up, we'll be getting a lot of rain, so I'm going to include that. And then we have Rainy Weather. And this was also, I purchased at Scholastic. It was 4 books in the set about different weather, so I'll include that. And then this is When Spring Comes, and again, a Scholastic's find. So I'm just going to arrange these books on the bookshelf, and I'll kind of show you how I set it up. So I have 2 shelves with the bird books. Then we have the holiday books. And then we have the spring and weather books and color books. And then down here I just have the little guided readers and the board books down here. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Take care and bye for now.